Welcome to Cooking Show. Cooking with Mommy. We like to make crepes.
First, crack the eggs into the flour. Then add water and milk into the mix. Add the melted butter and the salt. Mix thoroughly. You want to get rid as much lumps as possible. The pan will need to be very hot, so get a grown-up to help.
It's hot. Be careful.
Grease the pan with some butter. Pour the butter in the pan and make a circular motion to create a round shape. Flip to get both sides to cook evenly. Grown-ups, you want to make sure your little ones are using either a butter knife, a plastic knife, or any other utensils that are not sharp and dangerous.
Be careful, son.
Make sure your crepes are cool enough before you begin covering them with the spread. Take a good amount of the hazelnut spread and spread it evenly throughout your crepes. Now place the bananas and strawberries. And fold the crepes in half and gently press down on it. From that half, we're going to fold another half. Now using a sifter, we're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of our crepes. Decorate with a fresh strawberry and we're done!
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Now it's time to give it a try.
It's so yummy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and see you at our next Cooking with Mommy video.